हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोगों ने स्लाइड और स्लाइड लेआउट इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ा था। आज हम पढ़ेंगे हाउ टू डिलीट अ प्लेस होल्डर, मीन्स डिलीटिंग अ प्लेस होल्डर। एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, दिस rectangular box with dotted line are known as placeholder. So sometime we have to delete all these placeholder according to our presentation requirement. So how to delete a placeholder we will learn in this video. Okay, now let's start. Here it is given deleting a placeholder. Unwanted placeholder from any slide can be deleted. What are the steps are? Here it is given the example and picture of placeholder. This is the dotted line in rectangular. This is the rectangular dotted line box. Okay. Now the steps to deleting a placeholder are: first, position the mouse on the dotted border of the placeholder so it can changes to a cross window with arrows. Okay. You have to put the mouse pointer at on any place of the corner or on the line of this placeholder. After that, click the border to select it. Click the border anywhere on the border to select this placeholder. Now after selecting the placeholder, press backspace key from keyboard or delete key from the keyboard. The placeholder will be removed. Okay, the placeholder will be removed. Now the next point is how to adding a text box. Sometime we have to use some text, and we use a text box to type something, some content in our slides. So we use a text box. So how to add a text box? Here given some steps are: to text boxes allowing adding to the current layout so that text can be added on the slide. Same thing which I told you some time ago. Now the steps are: first, go to the insert tab. Okay, go to the insert tab, click on the insert tab. After that, in the insert tab, the group or the command group will be open related to the insert tab. Select the text box. Select the text box. Here it is selected the text box, that's why its background is in light yellow color. Now select the text box. The cursor will turn in an upside down cross. When you select the text box, the cursor will change in this type icon, up down cross. After that, click hold and drag. Click hold and drag. The box will draw like this. In what size or area you have selected to click and drag, the box will be appear like this. This is the text box. Now so in this way your text box is added. Now you can type some content in this text box. Now the next point is working with slides. How we work with slides? In this topic we will learn how we work with slides. Okay, so blank slides can be customized by adding own text boxes, picture, charts and more. Means here it is given in a blank slide you can add your own text box, pictures, charts and many other things. So the first point is how to insert a new blank slide. How to insert a new blank slide? Here it is given by default one blank slide. After that you want some more blank slides, so you have to add. So here the steps are given. Step number 1 is select blank from the menu of layout option. In this layout option you will get the new slide option. Click on the new slide option. Okay, and this slide layout is in the home tab. Okay, so in home tab you will get the layout option. In layout option here it is given new slide. So click on the new slide, and where you want to add, click on that option. The slide will be added at that position. Now the next point is copying and pasting a slide. How to copy a whole slide and paste somewhere in the presentation. So the steps are given on the slide tab in the left pane. Here slide tab in the left pane. Here it is given the slide tab. Okay, on the slide tab in the left pane select the slide you wish to copy. Suppose you want to copy this slide. Suppose you want to copy this slide. So in this slide tab in the left side, click on this. First you have to click on this slide. Now click on this slide. After that, copy. Click the copy command on the home tab. Click the copy command on the home tab. You can also right click your selection and choose the copy. So there are two ways. First, select this slide. After that, you can right click for the copy paste option normally as you used to copy paste option, and there is also an option copy from the home tab. After that, in the left pane, click just below or upside where you want to copy paste the slide. If you want to paste slide here, so you have to click this position, and now right click again and use paste option, or you can use directly this paste option from the home tab. Okay, the slide will be copy and pasted. Now deleting a slide. देखिए इस वाले में यही बताया कि कॉपी और पेस्ट कैसे करते हैं. मैं जल्दी बता दूं कि अगर आपको कोई स्लाइड मान लीजिए कॉपी पेस्ट करनी है, मान लीजिए आपको ये स्लाइड कॉपी पेस्ट करनी है, तो लेफ्ट साइड में जो स्लाइड पेन ऑप्शन है उस पर जाइए, उस स्लाइड को सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए जिसको आपको कॉपी करनी है. उसके बाद उस पर राइट क्लिक कर लीजिए. राइट क्लिक करने के बाद आपको कॉपी ऑप्शन आएगा, उसको कॉपी कर लीजिए. या दूसरा तरीका, होम टैब में आपको कॉपी ऑप्शन मिलता है, आप वहाँ से कॉपी कर लीजिए. इसके बाद आपको मान लीजिए सपोज करिए कि आपको इस जगह पे आपको पेस्ट करना है, तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे तो एक हॉरिजॉन्टल इंसर्शन पॉइंट बन जाएगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, राइट क्लिक अगेन करना है, वहाँ पे पेस्ट ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. या फिर आप डायरेक्टली पेस्ट ऑप्शन इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो भी प्लेस हो जाएगा. ठीक, इसके बाद कह रहा है हाउ टू डिलीट अ स्लाइड, मीन्स द स्टेप्स टू डिलीटिंग अ स्लाइड. Step number 1, select the slide you want to delete. As similarly you want to copy, in this you have to delete. So select the first that slide which you want to delete. Okay, and press delete or backspace from the keyboard. The slide will be deleted. It's simple steps. Now moving a slide. How to move a slide here and there. If you want to repositioning the slides, suppose you want to this slide number 3 on position number 5 and 4 to 3. So there are very simple steps. Go to the left slide pane, select which slide you want to move, click on the slide and hold, and change the position by dragging. Suppose you want to move this slide number 3 to move on slide number 5, click on this slide number 3 and hold and drag it to 5. If you left this slide between the 4 and 5, it will be after the 4, and if you want to after the 5 number slide, so you have to put downward from the 5 and release it. After releasing the button of mouse, the slide will be moved. Okay, so these are the steps to how insert a slide, how to copy a slide, how to delete a slide, and how to move a slide. Now in the next video we will learn about text in slides. How to insert some text in a slide, how to delete text in a slide, how to select text in slide, copy pasting, cutting pasting, and dropping and dragging, moving different things. Okay, so we will learn these things in the next video. Thank you.